Hi guys, how you doing? This is a short update video on my channel. So as you have seen, I've been traveling overseas for a while and filmed a couple videos there as well, and one of them is already out. It's the Audi A6 Avant video. I hope you watched it. If you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and look at it. It's pretty good video. Then my traveling overseas, I did a lot of walking, a lot of travel stuff, and I filmed a lot, and I decided to make my own channel for my walking videos, my walking tours, so that people that love the walking tours and that come to this channel for the travel content have it easier to find it. So that's the purpose of it. So if you want to, please go ahead and look at the link in the description. It's Enthusiast Walking Tours, and support me by subscribing to my new walking tour channel. If you don't want to do that, I completely understand. If you only like cars, and if you want a mix of the two, I will still put some travel content on this channel as well, so don't worry about it. But I would really appreciate it if you could support me and subscribe to my walking tour channel as well. Link in the description, link in the videos as well. So that being said, I'm working on more videos. I have a couple lined up and they'll come out soon, and we'll have some content about all of my cars and about a couple other cars as well. I'm always open to listen to get some new content, new ideas. Maybe you got driving, like this guy in front of me used the left lane the whole time, which you shouldn't. Not legal in Utah. You have to move to the right lane if you are slow at traffic. So, and if you go the speed limit on the left lane and someone comes up faster, you still have to move over to the right lane and let the guy pass, even if he's going different. Let's see who that is. Yeah, guy doesn't care at all, you know. All right, anyways, that's it for now. Short update. Keep watching the channel. You know, good things are coming out. Have a wonderful day.